Welcome to Upstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to switch a Roblox account in Roblox app. Switching account in Roblox app is much more convenient than logging out and logging back in. It lets you keep multiple Roblox accounts saved on the same device so you can switch between them instantly with just a few steps without re-entering your username, password, or verification code each time. This is especially useful for players, developers, testers, or content creators who use separate accounts for different purposes. It saves time and makes it easy to move between accounts whenever needed. So, to switch account in Roblox app, click More button in the left panel, and there you will see the button to switch accounts. Click that button. If you have already added multiple accounts here, those accounts will show up here. Right now I'm logged in with this account. To switch to this account, I'll just click on it and instantly user account will be switched. If I want to go back, I'll click More, Switch Accounts, and then select Previous Account to switch to. So this is how you can switch accounts in Roblox. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.